Okay, so now that you know what your goals are, you're ready to start thinking about career development. So that's what we're going to be focusing on in week 6. We're going to dive into chapter 3 and start looking at what strategies for learning did you apply earlier in education in high school, and will those work in college? So are the same study skills that I did in high school, are they going to be applicable now in college? So we're going to look at memory techniques. We're going to look at reading methods. We're going to look at, how teaching is such a powerful tool for when you're studying. So you're going to be reading chapter 3, which is building academic skills. Watch some study skills videos that I've put on there for you, some time management videos as well. Discussion 5 is all about building and applying study skills. And then you'll be doing the mind tap for chapter 3 as well. And start on your research summary worksheets. Remember that discussion you did about what your research topic's going to be? Now is when you're going to actually put into practice. You're going to find 3 articles, 2 which have to be peer-reviewed journals. 1 is another source. It could be a YouTube video, a TED Talk, a magazine article, newspaper article. And I want you to start thinking about student success in regards to that topic and find 3 articles that relate to student success. So for example, if it was, does Greek life affect student success? Or how does Greek life affect student success? Maybe you found an article about how it has a positive factor because it builds relationships, helps students find a sense of belonging, and so on. You might find one that's negative, talking about hazing and drinking and lower GPAs and things like that. And then you might find a video about how a student said that they found their passion after being in a fraternity or sorority. Or maybe it was a negative one where they talked about how they were hazed. So I want you to find 3 sources and then put a summary of those sources in the worksheet. The worksheet lays it all out for you about what you need to put, but hopefully that's going to give you a great, really large outline for your research summary paper that's due later on. I will see you next week.